This is the original Nio ET7, the first model on the NT 2.0 platform. As Nio's first saloon, it wasn't exactly perfect, especially the rear seat comfort that didn't live up to that of a flagship saloon. But now, things have changed. This is the 2024 Nio ET7. At first glance, you might not see any difference, because there aren't many. The only visible changes are the new paint and new rims, as well as an executive trim badge. Other than that, the exterior looks exactly the same. However, when you get inside, you will notice the real changes, making this one of the best luxury electric saloons in China and even globally. I'm Harris, you're watching Matt EV. Whether electric or ICE, the most important thing of an executive saloon is the luxury and comfort of the rear seat. The previous ET7 did excel in this area, but not the refreshed one. The reclining seats, a trump card of the ET9 and now available in the ET7, greatly improving the comfort. They are wide and thick with a wide range of adjustment for leg support and seat angles. Even someone like me can have good thigh support. Plus, adjusting the seat back also adjusts the cushion angle to prevent putting tension on your back. Compared to other executive saloons like the Mercedes E-Class, BMW 5 Series, and Audi A6, this ET7 clearly offers much superior padding and materials. Besides the seats themselves, the features have also been significantly improved. They now has hot stone massage, separate controls for heating and ventilation, and a large center armrest with a pair of 40-watt wireless charging pads with cooling vents. The only downside is that the recliners take up too much space in this 5.1-meter long saloon, so the legroom is a bit tight. And if the passenger seat is occupied, the legroom is not better than long-wheelbase E-Class. In addition, to ensure legroom, the back adjustment angle has been reduced to 27 to 37 degrees, which is the minimum range for both upright and reclined positions. Fortunately, it can automatically reset when you get out, making this recliner a bit more useful. What's more, they also added screens. Unlike other Chinese brands that use tablets as screens, the ET7 sticks to the old-fashioned way. Yes, it's not that flexible, but it's a good choice for luxury saloon. Dedicated screens are more stable and they can self-adjust with the rear seats for better viewing angle. This is the kind of experience you expect in a luxury saloon. It's not something you're supposed to take off and fiddle with. As for the screen itself, it's OLED 3K display, so the quality is top-notch. The real highlight though is the functionality. Besides the usual entertainment and control features, they can mirror your phone separately or together. If you have a Nio phone, you can use Nio Link to share information and even hold video conferences. So you can see how much ET7 emphasizes its executive nature. Apart from the back seats, there aren't many changes in the new ET7. The front seats are now self-developed, providing more comfort, but the position is a bit higher. The car's computer chips has been updated to the latest Snapdragon 8295 for more processing power. The sunroof now offers an option for electrochromic glass. On the dynamic side, the chambers of front air suspension have been increased by 7%, resulting in lower stiffness for better comfort. Other than that, there aren't any hardware changes. On the software side, however, there's more to talk about. When the new ET7 was launched, Nio released the Bion 2.6.0 system to all NT 2.0 platform cars, which includes key upgrades like Nomi GPT, CTNOA, and 4D comfort navigation for cars with air springs. In other words, Nio has provided ET7 with a feature similar to the Magic Body Control. Well, I said similar because it's not quite at S-Class level in terms of adjustment speed for not using any hydraulic mechanisms. But as they say, a powerful software can make up for hardware limitations, so Nio used its advanced sensing capabilities and something what they call group intelligence, similar to a crowdsourced data collection system, to gather and process road information through every Nio car and integrate the data into its self-driving system. For example, the system marks potholes, bumps, and inclines so that every second-gen Nio with air springs passing through the area, the suspension can adjust in advance for a smoother ride. As for CTNOA, it's now also available in my ET5, so if you're interested, I will make a detailed review in the future. In my previous auto show video, I mentioned that electric flagship saloons might follow different design philosophies, but the rear seat will always be the center of attention. The ET7 is a great example. It has a standard luxury car design, even a bit traditional, but with electrification and smart tech, it offers a range of functions that weren't possible in the past. As a Nio owner, I often tell my friends that you might not truly appreciate Nio until you actually own one, but the new ET7 might change that.